Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. Find the solution of this equation. 2 cosine x minus cosine x multiplied with sine x equals to 0. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We have the cosine x in here, so we do about the factor. So that we have 2 minus sine x equals to 0. In here we will have two equation. Cosine x equal to 0 and sine x equal to 2. We know that to get the solution of the sine x, the result outside should be belong from -1 to 1, but we go about number 2, so we have no solution. In the cosine x, we have one solution, that's about x equals to b over 2 plus kb, and k belong to the real number. That's we call number of z. So the solution for equation is about x equals to b over 2 plus kb. That's the end. Thank you for watching.